Hey foodies, let's make some saltfish fritters, or as my grandmother liked to call them, stamp and go. So I have my spices cut up. Those are scallion, onions, bell peppers, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I have some codfish or salted fish and coconut milk. Then I have some flour and baking powder. I am going to add the dried thyme to my flour and baking powder mixture, add my seasonings and my salted fish. Then I am going to whisk it in. Today we're going to skip the water and use some coconut milk. Traditionally, with saltfish fritters, we use water, but today I had an insightful moment and I said, let's make it with some coconut milk because I love richness in my food. So, and I know it's probably fattening, but it's good. You only live once, YOLO, okay? So I'm adding some coconut milk and I'm gradually adding the coconut milk to the batter until I get the consistency I am looking for. And then I'm just adding the coconut milk as you can see, and I am folding it into the mixture or stirring it in. However, whatever you prefer. As long as it's not lumpy, and it should not be lumpy if you're folding it or if you're stirring it. Or if you're not comfortable using a spatula like I am using, you can continue to use your whisk. Your consistency should look something like this, okay? If you're looking for a crisp fritter, thin is the best way to go. So to a skillet with heated oil, I am going to add my batter. And when you're frying fritters, it's just like frying pancakes. Once the top is bubbly, as you can see, you want to flip them over to the other side. So I fry them on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, and there you have it. Enjoy!